starring Charlie Berry, Bessie Berry, and Junior. Why does it always have to rain when I'm gonna play golf? Now what? Oh, for crying out loud.
What's all that racket, Charlie?
Oh, it could only happen to me. It rained so I can't play golf, and now the TV won't work. What am I gonna do now?
I don't know, Charlie, but whatever it is, don't do it.
Hey, Junior, you wanna play Pachisi?
No, I can't play now, Pop. I'm too busy.
My old Charleston dancing trophy. Presented to Charles Beery, champion Charleston dancer.
Gee, what's the matter, Pop? Are you all right?
Of course I'm all right. Why do you ask?
Oh, gosh. I thought you were having a fit.
Well, I wasn't.
Ow!
Now what's the matter?
Pop hit me.
Why don't you play solitaire, Charlie?
Solitaire? Oh, for crying out loud.
Well, you don't have to be so grouchy.
Well, here's my old ukulele. And here's my old raccoon coat. Hey, Bessie, come here a minute. Bess, you remember this? You're my Tootsie, I'm your beau. We're the bee's knees, oh, vodeo-do. In the moonlight, pitching woo. In a rumble seat with you. Down in Lover's Lane we go. Singing a song, oh, vodeo-do. Ain't that like old times, Bessie?
Yeah, you're just as corny as ever.
And do you remember the night when our canoe tipped over and we had to make a fire to dry our clothes? Remember that?
No, I don't. 'Cause that wasn't me. That was your old floozy, Millie Mankemeyer.
Oh, Grandma, there's my old bowling ball. Sure feels good. Right down the old alley. It slipped.
Come here, Charlie.
Where are you, honey?
Right here, dear. Now pick up that ball and put it away.
Well, anyway, I can watch TV. Bess, the television's broken.
Oh, I unplugged it this morning so I could vacuum. Try it now, Charlie.
Yeah, try it now, Charlie.
From New York today, we bring you the ball game between the Mets and the Dodgers.
Charlie, the ceiling is leaking.
Well, don't panic. I'll put some buckets on the floor.
I told you before to fix the roof.
Well, I can't fix it till it stops raining. Now maybe I can watch the ball game. Oh, for crying out loud.
The bases are loaded, and here comes Slugger O'Toole.
Oh, no.